Hello and welcome to your daily tech digest for July 12, 2023. Today, we're diving into a variety of topics, from a revolutionary breakthrough in nuclear fuel to the power and potential of AI, and even the mysteries of UFO technology. Remember, you can find the links to all the original articles in the description below. If you enjoy staying updated with the latest in tech, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. A breakthrough in nuclear fuel technology, known as TRISO, is nearing regulatory approval in the US and Canada. This revolutionary fuel is meltdown-resistant, making nuclear power safer, cheaper, and more plentiful, while also reducing its carbon footprint. The unique structure of TRISO fuel, which comes in spheres of varying sizes, allows it to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, potentially sparking a revolution in the nuclear power industry. In a recent article, Nitin Sharma explores the mind-blowing use cases of code interpreters. From developing games to producing images and analyzing stocks, code interpreters are empowering users in incredible ways. Sharma highlights how paid users of ChatGPT are leveraging code interpreters to accomplish tasks such as generating charts, analyzing Spotify playlists, and creating zoom-in videos. A notable example includes a Twitter user who created a game in just 5 minutes using a code interpreter. In a unique blend of technology and spirituality, an online platform now allows users to seek spiritual guidance from a virtual Jesus. Available on Twitch, the AI-powered Jesus responds to questions based on biblical teachings and Christian beliefs. While some may find this approach enlightening, others may view it as blasphemous. The AI aims to provide sensible answers to all questions, even those that are nonsensical or unrelated to religion.
The code interpreter for ChatGPT has been unveiled, sparking discussions about the future of data science. This plugin, now available to all ChatGPT Plus users, can execute workflows involving data visualization, trend analysis, and data transformation. It operates in a secure, sandboxed and firewalled environment, and only runs for the duration of the chat session. The data is cleared after the conversation is closed. Salesforce has influenced the design of efficient coding models. Language learning models, LLMs, have simplified user interaction and have seen numerous releases, particularly in open source. Despite their success, limitations exist when using these models for coding. LLMs have been successful due to the introduction of the transformer, enabling the creation of models capable of processing large amounts of data. However, training these models requires significant hardware and energy capabilities. A new study aims to identify the desired characteristics for an LLM for coding and unify the tested approaches.
Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, where technology is advancing at an unimaginable pace. This article explores the potential implications of living in a world dominated by AI, discussing its impact on various industries, the benefits and concerns of this technological revolution, and how we can prepare for it. It also highlights the human qualities that will remain valuable in an AI-driven era and strategies for building a positive relationship with our robotic counterparts. Discover a new side hustle that can pay up to $100 an hour. The growing demand for AI content assistance is creating lucrative opportunities for those with the expertise to help companies use AI-powered bots for content creation. This could be your chance to turn your skills into a profitable online venture. OpenAI's code interpreter is revolutionizing the way we create videos. With its ability to execute code with natural language prompts, it can be used for a variety of tasks including data cleaning, analysis, visualization, and even video editing. This tool allows users to create video transitions, convert formats, and even create a zoom-out video with Midjourney's new feature. No video editor software required, just prompt the desired result in a conversational manner.
In this article, Shalitha Suranga discusses the reasons behind the complexity of codebases in software systems. He explains that despite following numerous standards and best practices, codebases can still become messy and less productive over time. Suranga also provides insights into techniques to prevent cluttered codebases.
Explore the personal preferences of a self-proclaimed texter who values the low pressure and convenience of texting over phone calls. However, she acknowledges the importance of voice calls for serious conversations and emergencies, highlighting the need for balance in our digital communication habits.
In the ever-evolving world of technology, mastering core skills is crucial for developers. This includes a strong command of programming languages, effective problem-solving abilities, proficiency in debugging and troubleshooting, and understanding of version control systems like Git. These skills lay a solid foundation for building applications, solving complex problems, and advancing careers.
IceCube Observatory has made a groundbreaking discovery by detecting high-energy neutrinos originating from within our Milky Way galaxy. This remarkable finding opens up a new avenue for scientific investigation into the properties of our host galaxy. Neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles, can travel vast distances in space and penetrate dense materials without being significantly affected, making them valuable messengers of information about distant astrophysical phenomena.
SpaceX's operations in Boca Chica, Texas, have sparked a debate over environmental impact versus economic growth. While the company has brought economic benefits to the region, concerns have been raised about the effects on the local ecosystem and community. A notable example is the adaptation of the snowy plover bird species to the changing environment due to SpaceX's rocket launches. Wildlife biologist Justin Leglaire discovered the birds nesting among the debris left by rocket launches, showcasing the resilience of nature. However, the active launch site poses potential risks to the birds and their newfound habitat.
In a recent article, Joseph Cruz discusses the common reasons why software development projects often fail. He highlights the impact of delays, the misallocation of resources, and the tendency to overlook potential issues. Cruz emphasizes the importance of proactive measures and attention to detail for successful development. He also points out that product quality and price competitiveness alone are not enough for business success.
Josh.ai, initially an advanced AI assistant for homes, has evolved into a comprehensive control solution. The platform has been developed over the years to offer deep device integrations, innovative custom features, and a purposeful user experience. The company's unique approach is shaping the future of smart homes with efficiency, innovation, and sophistication. The platform's features include auto-discovery of partner products for quick configuration and control, and a new system setup page for efficient mapping of properties and floor plans. The platform continues to grow and improve based on user data and interaction. In the world of AI, large language models like ChatGPT by OpenAI are gaining popularity for generating text in various formats. However, they often fail to produce engaging content due to their inability to understand and contextualize human emotions and create a coherent narrative. This article explores these limitations and suggests ways to engineer LLMs for more engaging text generation. Unlocking business growth, the impact of AI on maximizing profits. This article explores how artificial intelligence revolutionizes businesses, boosts profits, and propels growth. It delves into the pivotal role of AI in business transformation, examining its capacity to optimize growth and amplify profits. The article also discusses the applications of AI in various business domains, including customer service.
In a critique of the tech industry, the author expresses frustration over the proliferation of similar social media platforms. The author specifically criticizes Threads, a new Twitter clone by Mark Zuckerberg, for its lack of innovation and originality. The author warns that this trend of copying and pasting existing platforms is a dangerous precedent for the tech industry.
A real photograph was disqualified from a photo contest due to suspicions that it was created using artificial intelligence. The incident highlights the increasing difficulty in distinguishing between reality and AI-generated content. The photo, taken by Susie Doherty, was of her son holding two dressed mannequins at a Gucci exhibition. Despite the disqualification, Doherty remains positive, interpreting the incident as a compliment to the quality of her work. The notorious Roswell UFO crash aftermath involved the discrete transfer of debris to a secret base for advanced reverse engineering, leading to the development of sophisticated technological aircraft. Physicist Bob Lazar claimed to have witnessed the process of reverse engineering alien spacecraft at a covert base outside Las Vegas, known as Area 51. Despite government denials, UFO researchers have long suspected Area 51's involvement in reverse engineering. The base is believed to be the site where the alleged UFO crash in 1947 led to the creation of advanced aircraft like the stealth bomber.
In a recent exploration of Android's capabilities, author David Lewis highlights the strength of Apple's ecosystem. Despite a positive experience with the Google Pixel 7 Pro and Android 13 OS, Lewis acknowledges the seamless integration of Apple's products and services as a significant advantage. He suggests that Apple's ecosystem, often overlooked, may be the company's smartest move. In the world of Python web development, Django reigns supreme over other frameworks. This high-level Python web framework, following the model view controller architectural pattern, provides a solid foundation for building scalable and secure web applications. Its standout feature is its batteries included philosophy, offering a wide range of features and tools out of the box, saving developers time and effort.
Unlock the power of AI with effective prompts. This article guides you through the art of prompting to enhance your interactions with AI models like ChatGPT and Claude 2. The power of a well-crafted prompt can unlock a wealth of information, creativity, and problem-solving capabilities, transforming the way we learn, work, and innovate. In the world of data analysis, Python has emerged as the go-to language due to its simplicity, versatility, and vast collection of libraries and frameworks. This article highlights 7 Python frameworks that are game-changers in data analysis, including Pandas for tabular data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computing, and Matplotlib for data visualization.
The mystery of cattle mutilations, a phenomenon that has long intrigued skeptics and UFO enthusiasts, is being explored. The theory suggests that extraterrestrials are responsible for surgically removing parts of cattle to extract enzymes for survival on Earth. However, forensic pathologists and veterinary experts suggest the involvement of advanced laser technology, as traditional surgical instruments do not match the precise incisions found on the animals. Sightings of UFOs or unmarked black helicopters have been frequently reported near these incidents. Skeptical investigators propose that these alleged mutilations are the result of natural predators and scavengers. In a surprising turn of events, some top-tier venture capitalists, VCs, are reportedly struggling. Notably, Tiger Global, once a leading investor in SaaS companies, is said to be actively selling off its portfolio. This shift suggests that even renowned VCs like Tiger Global and SoftBank may be suffering from years of overpaying for overhyped tech companies. The landscape of venture capitalism is changing, and it's no longer safe to assume that a Tier 1 VC will maintain its status.
LangChain, an AI assistant developed to compare different earnings reports, is making it easier to analyze quarterly reports from public companies. The assistant, built with the frameworks LangChain and Plotly in Python, is designed to simplify the tedious task of manually going through numerous reports. This article provides a detailed guide on how to use LangChain to analyze the Q1 2023 earnings reports of Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW.
Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is transforming traditional financial systems by offering transparent, permissionless, and open-source services. DeFi lending, a key contributor in crypto asset locking, has emerged as a leading application in this domain. As of 2023, nearly $20.46 billion is locked in DeFi protocols, indicating their rising popularity. DeFi lending platforms enable individuals to lend and borrow funds, offering crypto holders a chance to earn substantial income. The process is simplified and expedited, ensuring an efficient, user-friendly experience. Investment research is being revolutionized by large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT. Industries are now developing tailored LLMs for specific use cases, with the financial industry leading the charge. The AI for Finance Foundation is developing FinGPT, an open-source alternative to Bloomberg's proprietary Bloomberg GPT. Tools like FinChat.io and AlphaWatch.ai are also emerging, providing ChatGPT for investors. This article also introduces AskOBB, a new feature of the OpenBB Terminal 3.1.0, a command-line tool for investment research.
Kickstart your programming journey with confidence and open doors to lucrative career opportunities. As technology advances, the demand for programmers is skyrocketing. With an abundance of resources available, anyone can learn to code. Start with a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript, and move on to more advanced topics as you build a strong foundation.
Discover the versatility of ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. This tool goes beyond simple question answering, serving as a co-writer, tutor, personal assistant, companion, and game master. It's a multi-purpose tool that can help overcome writer's block, generate fresh ideas, and even mimic the tone and style of your favorite authors.
In the rapidly evolving world of advanced technologies, vector databases are becoming increasingly popular across various sectors. These databases, crucial for harnessing the full potential of artificial intelligence, organize complex data into a structure that machines can understand, facilitating better data comprehension. This article delves into the concept of vector databases, their role in AI, and suggests top vector databases for individuals and businesses aiming to leverage AI effectively. A young mother of 3, living in a remote farmhouse in the Midwest, dives into the world of software and hardware, decoding the marvels of a newly developed personal computer. This unexpected journey leads to a Eureka moment and the launch of her own business, aiming to teach others to harness the power of personal computers.
ClipDrop, a new breakthrough in visual technology, is revolutionizing visual content creation with its advanced AI tools. The platform offers a range of features including stable diffusion, an AI text-to-image model that transforms written descriptions into photorealistic images. This innovative tool is ideal for designers, marketers, and content creators looking to seamlessly integrate images into their projects. In this article, the author shares his experience with Bitcoin, highlighting its volatility and the importance of a consistent dollar-cost averaging (DCA) strategy. He emphasizes that Bitcoin's use case changes over time and that spending Bitcoin is essential for its adoption. The author also regrets not maintaining a consistent DCA strategy from the beginning. In this article, Ramsey Jiang explains the concept, objectives, pros, cons, and implementation steps of the select design pattern in Golang. The select pattern is a powerful feature used in concurrency handling with channels, allowing multiple channel operations to be waited on, blocking until one is ready to proceed. This makes it an excellent tool for handling concurrent tasks. The article also provides instances of timeout and non-blocking, including unit tests. In his article, Giles Crouch, a digital anthropologist, explores the role of play in the adoption of technology. He argues that play, often associated with childhood, continues into adulthood and significantly influences our choice of technologies. Crouch emphasizes that play is a form of learning and growth, and it's not just limited to humans but extends to other species as well. He also highlights that some technologies are specifically designed for play, such as toys and sports equipment.
In this article, a successful chief technology officer shares the key practices he avoided to ensure his success. These include avoiding micromanagement, fostering a culture of autonomy and continuous growth, embracing change and innovation, and avoiding siloed thinking. The author emphasizes the importance of strategic planning, staying updated with industry trends, and fostering collaboration across departments. In a series of posts, author Rahul Agarwal is set to share his knowledge on the GPT series, focusing on the OpenAI API. The series will cover the use of the ChatGPT interface, the API version's additional development features, and how to integrate ChatGPT into production systems. Future posts will delve into prompt engineering and LangChain, among other topics. In the fast-paced world of today, sleep-related issues are on the rise. To combat this, technology has introduced sleep tracking apps and devices designed to improve sleep quality. These tools monitor various aspects of sleep using sensors, accelerometers, and other advanced technologies. The data collected is analyzed to determine sleep patterns, including duration and quality of sleep, frequency of waking up during the night, and sleep stages. This article explores the benefits and limitations of sleep tracking technology.